Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to drift Audi A3 only way. Begin by confirming tire pressure and brake bias for predictable weight transfer. Remove loose items and tighten wheel bolts. Position hands at 9 and 3. Practice throttle modulation gently and learn the clutch kick and handbrake release timing. Start slow in low-speed corners. Build trust with the car and progressively increase speed as consistency improves. This part explains core drifting techniques in a friendly, clear way so you can practice safely. Focus on steering, throttle, and balance. The Audi A3 responds well to subtle inputs. Practice clutch kicks at low speeds, master countersteer timing, and use small throttle adjustments to hold angle. Keep movements smooth, breathe, and review each run to correct habits. Repetition builds muscle memory and confidence. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. It really supports the channel and future guides. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. I use at the track to keep snacks and small tools tidy and spill-free. They're handy between runs and save cleanup time, which means more seat time. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Here are setup tips delivered in a warm tone to help your car drift more predictably and safely. Slightly softer rear dampers aid rotation, while subtle front stiffness preserves turn-in precision. A limited slip differential smooths power through the slide, and fresh rear tires give consistent feedback. Avoid extreme modifications at first. Balance and reliability matter more for learning than peak angle or showy smoke.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.